cloudburst, breaking the silence of summer. She came daintily in dawn. Hey, listen to the Mary chant, manifesting her arrival with welcoming band. Drummers from the heaven above beat and beat tom-toms. Leaves, branches, buds, blossoms and birds began murmuring, chirping, twittering in cool breeze. Hearing rapturous monsoon melody awakened the earth from its summer slumber, readying to receive the reward from above and to enjoy heavenly bliss in garment green. The verdant earth and vaulted sky danced delightfully to the rhythmic chant. I watched and watched with delirious ecstasy to see the nature dancing drenched. Water from thy abode above poured down to the earth to quench our thirst, letting us to drink this elixir of life, listening to this paean lingering everywhere.